Testing, testing.
Hello everyone. Today I'm testing SENA Bluetooth Action Camera Prism and Intercom 20S.
Hope you're hearing me well while I'm cruising alone. I just love Saturdays, those type of Saturdays. Be on your own. It's a nice sunny winter day in New South Wales, Australia. 10 degrees. Beautiful day for a ride, as you can see.
Are you ready for this? Are you ready for the creek? Woo! That was a piece of cake. Bum tralala, chlapie fala, po głębinie statek płynie.
That's nice. So how about I sing you a song in Polish? Łubu dubu, niech żyje nam prezes naszego klubu, niech żyje nam. To mówiłem ja Ząbek. So there you go guys, a little bit of Polish for you. It's a special edition in Kinglish. I like this dirt is good. This is a really fast dirt, I like it.
Hope you enjoyed this test video. All the footages you've seen were taken in Blue Mountains and Upper Hunter Valley, New South Wales, Australia. The voice was recorded while I was riding. Hope you enjoyed it. Join me on my blog onherbike.com. Until next time, do widzenia!